Today I'm going to be showing you easily how to create this cursive text animation here in Final Cut Pro X. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of Final Cut Pro presets. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but go check out the site. Presets that you can definitely use in your everyday Final Cut Pro workflow. Now let's get right into the video for today. All right, so we're gonna start off by creating a basic title. So hit Control T, that is the shortcut to create a basic title. We're gonna get our cursive font. I will leave a link for that in the description. I'll leave a couple more cursive fonts for you to choose from. You can just use any one you want, it can work for anyone. So we're just gonna increase the size of our title. And we're just gonna add some design elements. So let's make this yellow. And we're gonna add a drop shadow to kind of bring it out. And let's just call this landmarks. All right, click on our basic title, go to our effects panel, and we are going to choose mask and keying. And we're gonna go to draw mask here. I'm gonna place that right on the basic title. And now what we're gonna do is we want to make a rectangle, but we wanna make our rectangle start higher than our title. So just like this, and then right outside of kind of like the length of the title. So now you see that the title disappears, but as we hover over, this is the actual title that we can't see. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna click on our basic title, go to our video inspector right here, and we are going to add keyframes to our control points and to our transforms. So after we do that, we're just gonna go frame by frame. So like every 2 frames, and move our mask, so 1, 2. Reveals a little bit, 1, 2, again, reveals a little bit, 1, 2, and you continuously do this until you get to the end of your title. And I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay, now once you're done, you can go back to the beginning of your playhead and see how your animation looks. And if you want to even make this even better, there's an enhancement preset. It's a glint light effect. I'm going to use this to show you kind of how you can add halation to your title. Simply just drag the preset onto your title and make the title adjustments. You can adjust the exposure. You can adjust there's a whole lot of parameters here for you to choose from, but once you download this preset, you can go and play around with it. But this is just a basic way to make your title pop out even more. And this is how you simply make the cursive animation in Final Cut Pro.